Hey yo, it's your boy Tendo. I am a student at Better Youth Academy, which is powered by Panic Mechanic. I am 13 years old. Today we are working on Toyota Runx 1.6 engine. We are removing the engine from the car. Now the tire is out. I did it all by myself. Ever since I was here at Better Youth Academy, I have learned a lot. I can work a car on my own, just that I still need supervision. Now I am removing the drive shaft so that I can remove the complete engine with gearbox. It is simple like that. The drive shaft is out. If you remove drive shaft, then you have a better way to remove the engine. I am done on the other side. Now I am on the other side. I am busy removing the tire. These things have become simple for me because day by day I'm learning new things. This bolt, it was heavy, that's why I am using a power bar. As you can see, this bolt is giving me a hard time. Let me use a compact machine. I thought I can remove it with power bar, but no, it was hard. Here I am removing the shock absorber. This car is well supported with trestles. I am making a way so that I can remove the drive shaft. As you can see, the drive shaft is out.
Hello guys, I'm Dee and I'm a student at Better Youth Academy, which is powered by Panic Mechanic. On this episode, I'm working on Toyota Runx 1.6 engine and we're going to remove the engine from the engine bay. As you can see, I'm working with Tendo and we'll be assisting each other. First thing that we must do is to remove all the components and the wiring loom that are blocking the way for the engine. And here we are going to remove air filter, radiator, exhaust system and all 4 engine mounting. And in short period of time, we'll be done removing the engine from the engine bay. When I'm saying 4 engine mounting, I'm referring to the one located at the gearbox side, and the second one located at the timing set side, the third one located at the front lower side, and the last one at the back lower side. So now, as you can see, the radiator is out. And Tendo is busy removing the air filter box.
It was an honor to get in the field with Dee. She is a good person with good understanding. I like being teamed up with her.
Now we are working on the gearbox mounting. And this is the lower front mounting. And here, as you can see, Tendo is busy disconnecting the exhaust system. And here, I'm removing the wiring loom. So these ones are for the injectors. And these ones are for the coil packs. So now I just removed the F wiring for computer box. This is the complete wiring loom for the engine. So here I'm removing the bolts for the back lower engine mounting. We had to remove the bonnet because it was blocking our way for removing the engine. Now as you can see, many things has been removed which has been blocking our way. So now I'm removing the last mounting which is at the timing set side. And Tender is still busy removing the underneath bolt which is located at the same mountain at the timing set side. This is the engine for Toyota Runx 1.6 engine. Just as we thought we removed everything, then boom, there's a bolt for steering pump which we didn't remove. So as you can see, Telo is holding the pipe and is using this pipe for extension.
Hey, guys, yeah, we are struggling. We are struggling with the other bolt which hold power steering pump.
And we never thought that we're gonna work till this late.
As you can see, guys, the engine is out with gearbox. So this is it. I only helped them where they needed help, but it was only one bolt. Yeah, this bolt, as you can see, this is the bolt which gave us a little bit of problem, because as you can see, for you to take it off, you must have 24 to unscrew it here. Then you must also have got another 24 to hold it tight here. So I only got 124, so that's why I was struggling, but we managed to take it off. It's fine. Please like and subscribe our page. And how do you feel, guys, when the engine is off?
Hey, it was hectic, but all in all, the engine is out.
Tender boy?
Yeah, hey. We were struggling. The engine is off.
Where is it?
Yeah.
This is it. The complete engine with gearbox. So tomorrow we are starting again.
Yes, tomorrow morning we're gonna finish where we left.
Okay, fine. Good night.